Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 13. An object of mass 20 kg slides down an inclined plane at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. The coefficient of static friction is A 0.2, B 0.3, C 0.5, D 0.6. And acceleration due to gravity is given to us as 10 meters per second squared. So you have something like this, which is the horizontal, and then you have an inclined plane, inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal, and you have an object of mass 20 kilogram sliding down this inclined plane. So we're asked, what is the coefficient of static friction? Mu. Now the coefficient of friction is given as the frictional force F over the normal reaction R. So for an inclined plane, the frictional force is given as mg sine theta, and then the normal reaction is given as mg cos theta. So this cancels this. Now sine theta over cos theta is tan theta. Therefore, in order to find the coefficient of friction for this question, all we need to do is take the tangent of angle 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is equal to 0.577, and that is approximately 0.6. 0.6 is option D, which is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.